Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could download the Microsoft Visual Studio. To begin, just open your browser, type www.microsoft.com and hit enter. As a next step, click on the search bar and type Visual Studio and hit enter. You'll be redirected to this page. As a next step, we want to click on Visual Studio IDE and Code Editor for software developers and teams. Click on it. Once redirected to this page, we'll be able to download the software accordingly. So here we have Visual Studio on the left. Click and select the version which you want. That is Community 2022, Professional, and Enterprise. Or you can simply scroll down and you will find Visual Studio 2022 and click Download. Community. The download will begin and you will need to wait a few seconds. Once done, click to open the file where the download has been done. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. The user account control panel will appear and it will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes. You can go ahead and click yes. The Visual Studio installer will start. And here, if there is anything needed, it will tell you. Before you get started, we need to set up a few things so that you can configure your installation. To learn more about privacy, you can always click to read this too. And once done, you can go ahead and click continue. Once done, the installation will begin and you will be able to install it and use it. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.